Sending a Calendly invite is an easy way to let others schedule meetings with you at their convenience. Here's how to send a Calendly invite. Log into Calendly. Start by logging into your Calendly account. Ensure your availability is updated and that your event types are set up correctly. Choose an event type. On your dashboard, select the specific event type you would like to invite someone to, such as a 30-minute meeting or consultation. Each event type has a unique link. Copy your event link. Click on the Share button next to the event type. A window will pop up with options to copy the link, share via email, or embed. Click Copy Link to add it to your clipboard. Send the invite. Open your email, text, or messaging app and paste the Calendly link. You can write a brief message to the recipient, letting them know they can use the link to choose a meeting time that works for them. Wait for the booking. The recipient can click the link, view your available times, and book the meeting. You will both receive notifications when it's confirmed.